Igbo Kwenu. This is Christopher Shoemaker, known in Igbo land as Tochokwu, whose title is Odum Biara Ani Igbo Nwani Diuto, known in Israel as Yehuda ben Shomer. I want to talk to you about my upcoming trip to Nigeria, specifically the Igbo land, the parts where the Igbo people dwell. I'm going to be participating in and celebrating the Ovala Festival, which commemorates 3 out of 7 of Gad's sons crossing the Niger River and settling in Nigeria and becoming the Igbo people. So it's really a celebration of the Igbo's Hebraic heritage. The Igbo people coming from one of the lost tribes of Israel, which is Gad, and specifically the sons Eri, Areli, and Orodi. So I'm going to be going there, but I'm also going to be visiting communities which I've visited in the past. I've been to Igbo land twice, and I'm going to be visiting certain congregations and certain communities and participating in services there and greeting and meeting and people there, as well as continuing my research regarding the Igbo's connection to Israel, the Igbo's Hebraic heritage and Hebraic lineages. I would like to further and expand my research and delve into some of the stories and the claims and the traditions and the history of some of the offshoot tribes or tribes that are closely related to the Igbo people who came from the Igbo people. But to do so, and this is the part I hate, I didn't even want to get on here and do this, but it's out of a necessity because I hate promoting myself. I hate asking for money. I have a job, and I'm taking a portion of the proceeds from my job out of my paycheck and putting it directly into this travel fund because I'm trying to raise the money to go to Nigeria and participate in the Ovala Festival and continue my research and minister to the people that I've ministered to in the past and hopefully to minister to many more people. But I can't do this without help. I'm doing this totally on my own. I'm not officially hooked up with any ministry, sect, organization, church, or anything like that. So I have no other support base than myself and you people. So I don't have any other way to raise funds besides asking my brothers and sisters for help. Now, if 300 people, if only just 300 people out there would simply give $10, boom, I would have all the money that I need to go to Nigeria. I have to pay for my visa, I have to pay for my plane ticket, and I have to take care of some of my expenses while I'm over there in Africa, and also have enough funds in the bank to prove to the customs that I'm just not going to come to Nigeria and stay, that I have a way back home if that I have enough money to leave. So those things have to be set in place before I can even go. Also, if you check out the website that I'm going to be giving in the comment section, you can purchase one of my books regarding the Igbo people. The proceeds to that will directly go to help fund my trip. And then there's other information on how you can give. There's also a link that I'm going to provide that will tell you in more detail the reason and the purpose for my trip to Nigeria and what I hope to accomplish while over there. So, don't feel like you don't have anything to give. If you don't have anything to give, collect bottles and cans and take them to the Redemption Center and send that money. That's no money out of pocket. All you got to do is just collect bottles and cans, and most of us drink bottled water and canned beverages anyway. So you could there's tons of stuff you can do to help. And no gift is too small. Even if you give $1, $2, $5, or $10, or even more than that, it doesn't matter. Every little bit helps, and it is appreciated. I'm leaving in November. I have to have the money before then. So, the time's kind of getting close. So I just wanted to put this out there, and just ask for your help. Really appreciate it. And I thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. And thanks again. Shalom.